Hey guys, welcome back to another video. February 2026, crypto's been wild lately. Bitcoin dipped hard below $65K recently, altcoins bleeding, a lot of people asking, is it even possible anymore to pull in $100 a day consistently from crypto? Not hype, not dreams, just real talk based on what's actually happening right now. Short answer, yes, it's still possible. But it's not easy, it's not guaranteed, and most people won't pull it off long term. Let's break it down realistically. First, trading. Day trading or swing trading is the main way people aim for $100 daily. The math checks out if you have decent capital. Say you run $5,000, $10,000 in your account. A solid one, 2% gain per day gets you there. On a $10K stack, 1% is exactly $100. In volatile markets like now, with BTC swinging 5–10% days, you can catch moves on majors or alts using technicals, like 4-hour chart swings, support resistance, or scalping liquid pairs. Here's the real: 70–90% of day traders lose money over time. You need discipline, risk management, never risk more than 1% per trade, stop losses, and a proven edge. I've seen guys grinding consistent $8150 days with leverage on futures, but they also have red days that wipe weeks of gains if they're reckless. If you're starting small, like under $2K, you'd need bigger percent wins or higher risk, which usually ends badly. Passive routes? Staking or yield farming won't hit $100/day unless you have serious capital. At 10–15% APY on something like SOL or Atom pools, you'd need $200K plus stake to average $100 daily. Airdrop farming is still alive in 2026. Genuine activity on protocols can net $505K per drop sometimes, but it's months of work, not daily, and most are $0–300. Bottom line, in 2026, $100 a day is achievable for skilled traders with $5K–15K capital, good strategy, and emotional control. Or combine trading wins with staking yields. But treat it like a business, study, backtest, journal trades, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Most quit or blow up because they chase instead of compound. If you're serious, start paper trading, build a plan, and scale slow. Crypto's not dead, opportunities are there, but the easy money era is gone. What do you think? Still grinding or waiting for the next cycle? Drop a comment. Like if this helped, subscribe for more real updates. Stay safe out there. Peace. Not financial advice. Crypto involves high risk of loss.